asuntoskehtiö Pukinmäki.
It's also amazing today on this day's 14th of March 2025. And what was the address?
Eskolantie 5.
Yeah, Stekisaf. We started from F and then to A towards A. It was built in, I think, first 1982, so late 1981.
Yeah.
First 1982, so which is 4 out, 1, 3, 6 floors. Also here in Pukinmäki, Voxvakka. Helsinki has sports also modernized Finland. And you found the code.
Yeah.
Because it was impossible for me.
Yeah.
Or it was not in use for some reason. And it was maybe late in the evening.
Yeah. Niin speedbike vaikuttaa, että meitä on pääs Kone.
Eikä tässä siis sponsor se 21 grams. That was a threshold there.
Yeah, that's